I'm just too excited right now. What the heck? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know I'm looking a little bit crazy, but I am actually so tired of my hair. I want a different look. I'm tired of my natural hair. So right now it's in some twist because, as you can see from the title of today's video, I am going to be dyeing it. I've never done this before. I've never... What the hell is going on outside? I've never done anything like this before myself. I attempted to dye my hair when I was in community college and it never showed because my hair did just straight black same way. So we're going to do this. It was either this or a big chop and my head too big for that. I'm kind of nervous, but let's see how this goes. I'm going for the ombre look, so I bought 3. I accidentally bought 3 and I'm using Creme of Nature. So I have the Creme of Nature, the Lightest Blonde. I'm going to put this on the end, and I also have the Honey Blonde, which is going to be most of my hair, so the roots go down. So yeah, I'm going blonde. Let's get into the video. So I'm editing the video right now and I'm realizing that the clip where I showed you what was in the box, it accidentally got deleted. So I'm just going to show you what's in it right now because I had a pack left. This is the Lightest Blonde. This was actually supposed to be at the end of my hair. I thought this is the one that was at the end, but I accidentally used Honey Blonde throughout my entire head because I thought it was the Lightest Blonde, but it was actually the Honey Blonde. So when you hear me referring to the Lightest Blonde in the video, it's actually Honey Blonde that was used because the Lightest Blonde, as you can see, it was unopened mistakenly. So what came in the packet was this cream color developer and this colorant and this shea butter conditioner. Because this is the Lightest Blonde, it came with a high lift booster, but the Honey Blonde didn't come with this. So all the instructions are in a packet in the box, guys. So first I had to cut off the tip and then I poured the colorant into the color developer and then I shook it. I just shook it for like 5 minutes and then I started applying the Honey Blonde to the ends of my hair. So if you were going to use the Lightest Blonde, which I had planned, I would have also added the high lift booster to this, so it would be the 2 things in this, but I used the Honey Blonde for both. Another clip that also got deleted was me applying the Honey Blonde to the ends of my hair. I went throughout my entire head and applied it to the end, and then I started this clip that you're going to see now, which is me applying a second bottle to the roots. So guys, I just mixed the Honey Blonde, so now me I go in, catch up my hair, and now me I go through again with the Honey Blonde in the roots. Already I see some change. See that? The ends are processing already. So let's go. Okay guys, this is where we're at, and as you can see, I'm already seeing changes. This is so tiring, bro. So I have this left, and then I'm going to put on 2 shower caps and leave it on for 30 minutes, and we probably run blow dry over it just to make sure so I get the best color when we can get out of this. I don't want to see no black. I'm tired of black hair. I just want to look different in a good way because next thing this come over. So I bought 3. I bought 1 light blonde and 2 honey gold. Guys, it's hot in here, and this honey gold seems like it had done, so we probably have to do 1 next bottle, but I don't want to do 1 next bottle just for this. So but then again, I don't want up here is the black, so it's like I don't know what to do. I'm trying to stretch it. Done right on the last one. It's just like, what is happening? Okay, that's it. So this is what we're currently looking like. So the light over this way, so you can see here it's already turning brown. So now we're going to shower cap it, leave it for 30 minutes, then we'll come back. Two shower caps. Don't ask me why. When we go buy the dye and I order the shower cap, the lady just give me two, so I just say okay. I guess two it is. So 30 minutes time, we come back. Oh my gosh. So guys, my 30-minute timer just went off, but I'm going to leave it for 10 more minutes. Let me just peep on it, and then we never change colors. I was like, I don't want to black edges with blonde hair, so but me never put any more on it because I already threw away the mixture and we're not gonna mix the last bottle just for my edges. But me just decided to leave it for 10 more minutes. So guys, in 10 minutes we're gonna take these shower caps off and we're going to see what's happening, and I hope it's something good that is happening because yeah. Okay guys, so real anxious. My head, it literally is on fire right now. So I left it in for 40 minutes and I turned on the blow dryer and just put little heat on it because me did really want it to change color. I never want to be disappointed, and of course heat to speed up the process, or I've watched videos and that's what they said. So guys, I'm going to remove these shower caps now. I was reading the instructions and it said, I'm reading it again. It says, so after you put in the mixture, you rinse your hair with warm water. I'm using normal temperature water from the pipe. It says rinse hair thoroughly with warm water until the water runs clear. So after rinsing, shampoo, lather and rinse shampoo from here, and then apply mango shea butter conditioner that they gave you in the box. So let's see. Oh my gosh! What the frig? Bro, this is so freaking hot. It literally have burned me, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm going to turn around. It's literally blonde. No, I'm just too excited right now. What the heck? Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Please tell me say it's a focused. I haven't seen the back as yet, so I'm just going to rinse this out and do what the instructions says I'm supposed to do. So guys, oh my gosh, like it just looks so different. I'm excited. Make me really, oh my gosh, I wish I could have seen this up close. Let me see if the camera will focus, because like what? This is just, I'm going to rinse it now guys, and then I'm gonna do everything. Let me just read and then I'll be back. So guys, I just rinsed it until the water was clear. I'm going to go ahead and add shampoo now. It's just my regular Tresemme 24-hour volume, the same Tresemme from the video that I did when I was showing you my natural hair routine. One thing I've noticed though, the ends aren't, what was it again? The ends aren't any different. I wanted the ends to be lighter, but maybe next time. Like, me still can't believe me literally blonde, bro. I mean, it's not blonde, it's like honey gold, but yeah, it's blonde because I was black. I mean, I look at myself right now and like, what? Man, I'm trying to get used to this. I'm going to wash this out now. Okay guys, now we condition. I'm really using instructions again because I don't want to miss nothing. Apply conditioner and leave in for 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, stay there for. Oh. So, because I use the 2 colors, I have 2 packets of conditioner. So I am going to rub them in my hair and then comb it out and leave it for the 5 to 10 minutes that it stays. And we gonna see. This look a bit though. Make me tempted to use the conditioner from the other packet when I use it. But we probably need that for touch up, so I'll leave it alone. Okay, this is one. It feels so nice. This feels really nice. It's really nice in my hair. Really nice. And 2. Now I'm just combing through it. I really love this conditioner. It just feels so nice and it smells so nice. No lie, I love Tresemme, but my Tresemme has never made my hair this easy to comb through. Or maybe because we just bleach. I don't know about hair. This is my first time ever doing something like this on my own. We can twist, we can plait, but sad to say I'm a part of the much percentage of black girls we can't care. I'm going to plait this in 2 as I did in my wash hair video because that's what I always do when I wash my hair. So I'm not gonna go in with my Tresemme. I'm gonna just leave this. I mean, after I wash this out in 10 minutes, I'm going to let it air dry in the plait and then that's going to be it. You know, now I think I actually did want it lighter. When it dry, me see what's up and then me decide. But it kind of look orange. Or maybe it's the lighting in here. But it want blonde. Me still see a lot of dark, I mean black hair. So, I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. So yes guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to rinse it out and let it air dry. Let me know what you think about the color in the comments. If this video doesn't go up tomorrow, if this video doesn't go up right now or tomorrow, I'm going to see if I can insert a picture or something when it's dry so you can see it.
The next day.
So guys, my hair it's not completely dry, it's still a little damp and it's the day after and I'm kind of seeing some lighter blonde at the ends. So even though I didn't get to add the light brown, I think the fact that I went through and did the ends first and then I did the roots, that gave me this ombre look and this is what it's looking like. So right now I'm just going through and oiling it. That's why I pulled it out the plaits. I really don't know like any special hair care, so guys, leave me some tips down below if you know how I can cure this. I'll also be watching some YouTube videos. So right now, the day after, I'm just parting it and oiling the scalp and putting a little on the hair. So yeah, thank you for watching my video guys. So let me know if you like it. Bye.